We're going to talk about dividing when you have a 4-digit number divided by a 1-digit number. Okay, so let's start with our first step, which is divide. How many groups of 7 can I make from 4? I can't make any groups, so then I'm going to be thinking about 44. Okay, I can make 6 groups of 7. I'll use a different color. Make 6 groups of 7. Then I multiply 6 times 7 is 42. I subtract 44 minus 42 is 2. I compare to make sure I made enough groups. 2 is less than 7, which means I could not have made any more groups of 7. And then I bring down my 1. Now I start back over at the beginning. How many groups of 7 can I make from 21? I can make 3 groups. 3 times 7 is 21. I subtract. I have 0, which means I could not have made any more groups of 7. Now I'm going to bring down the 7. I can make 1 group of 7. I'm starting with my divide step. 1 times 7 is 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. And I have no remainder that time. All right, let's do another one. So this time I have 6,287 divided by 8. I'm going to start with my first step, which is divide. I can't make any groups of 8 from 6, so I'm going to go directly to 62. I'm thinking, how many groups of 8 can I make from 62 without going over? If I did 8 times 8, that would be 64, which is too high. So I'm going to go with 8 times 7, which is 56. 62 minus 56 is 6. 6 is less than 8, which means I could not make any more groups of 8. Now I bring down my 8. So I already did my first 5 steps. Now I start back at the beginning. How many groups of 8 can I make from 68? This time I can make 8 groups because 8 times 8 is 64. Now I subtract. 68 minus 64 is 4. I compare. 4 is less than 8. And I bring down my 7. Okay, now I start back at the beginning of my steps. How many groups of 8 can I make from 48 or 47? 6 times 8 is 48, which is too high. So I know it will be 5. Now I multiply. 5 times 8 is 40. Now I subtract. 47 minus 40 is 7. I compare. 7 is less than 8, so that means I can't make any more groups of 8. And there's nothing else to bring down. This is my remainder, and this is my final answer. 785, remainder 7.